Imagine, just 10 years from now, your child's teacher is no longer a human being, but an artificial entity.
That sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. But in reality, it is happening faster than we think. In recent years, AI has become capable of explaining lessons, grading assignments, creating exams, answering questions, and even conversing naturally, much like a private tutor. What is even more notable is that many countries are facing a severe teacher shortage. With a lack of educators to lead classrooms, AI is increasingly becoming a practical solution rather than just an experimental technology. So the question is, will AI really replace teachers?
According to UNESCO, the world needs to recruit approximately 44 million additional teachers by 2030 to achieve universal education goals. Without this, millions of students will lack access to qualified teachers. This represents one of the education sector's most significant workforce crises. The severity of the situation is evident in several countries. United States, tens of thousands of teaching positions remain vacant annually. Many states are forced to hire uncertified teachers or assign staff to teach subjects outside their area of expertise. United Kingdom, teacher attrition rates are rising, particularly at the secondary level. Many schools face shortages of teachers in mathematics, science, and technology.
Japan. Teachers face excessive workloads and some of the highest rates of overtime in the world, leading to a chronic staffing shortage. Australia. Many states have reported severe teacher shortages, particularly in rural areas and in STEM subjects. South Korea. Despite declining birth rates, shortages persist in specialized subjects and remote areas, while heavy workloads have made the teaching profession less attractive. In this context, AI has not emerged to immediately steal teachers' jobs. It has emerged because, in many places, there simply are not enough teachers left to teach.
This is the part that surprises many people. There are things AI actually does better than humans. First is personalized learning. A single classroom might have 40 students, each with a different learning pace. It is very difficult for a teacher to cater to everyone's needs. But AI can tailor lessons to each individual student in just a few seconds. If you struggle with math, AI will give you easier exercises. If you are a fast learner, AI will automatically increase the difficulty level. Second is 24/7 availability. Studying at 2 a.m., AI is still there to answer. No need to wait for the next class. Third is infinite patience. You could ask the same question 100 times, and AI would still explain it in various ways without ever getting annoyed. Fourth is near instant feedback. Assignments are graded immediately. Mistakes are pointed out right away. AI can even analyze your weaknesses to create a customized learning path. And finally, AI can access a vast repository of knowledge, constantly updating with new information, unlike textbooks, which can sometimes take.
If AI is so powerful, are teachers still necessary? The answer today is they are still essential. Because education is about more than just imparting knowledge. A good teacher also inspires, instills self-confidence, encourages students when they face failure, recognizes emotions through a student's eyes, facial expressions, or silence. These are areas where AI remains very limited. Furthermore, AI can sometimes provide inaccurate information or lack context. If students rely entirely on AI without a guide, they might learn incorrect information without realizing it. That is why many education experts believe AI should serve as an intelligent teaching assistant, while the teacher remains the guide.
Learning with AI. Study anytime, anywhere. Highly personalized, low cost. Never gets tired. Provides instant feedback. However, lacks emotion. Struggles to inspire. Can generate incorrect answers.
cannot fully replace human connection. Learning with a teacher possesses practical experience, understands student psychology, provides motivation, teaches life skills, helps build character. However, teachers are also constrained by time, class size, and a heavy workload. Perhaps the battle of the future won't be AI versus teachers. Instead, teachers who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. Because technology can impart knowledge, but it is human beings who inspire the change that transforms a life. And perhaps the future of education won't belong to AI or teachers, but to a powerful partnership between the two.
I have a question for you all. If one day AI could teach every subject more perfectly than humans, leading to better student results and costing almost nothing, would you be willing to have your child learn entirely from AI instead of a real teacher? Please comment yes or no, and don't forget to share your reasons. I'll be reading everyone's comments.